Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Marcus Fixes Stuff. Today I'm doing just a short video to show you how to make your dishwasher stop making this sound. Terrible, right? We're going to have to remove the dishwasher from the wall, and to do that you have to take a few screws out of place. There are some in the top here, and some down here in the bottom. This plate's got to come out before we can move it. So we're going to take all those screws out, top and bottom, and then we can pull this out of the wall. Oops. There goes one. Try not to drop them into the machine like I just did. Okay, there we go. There's one. And there's the other. Now we can pull this plate off. Super simple. Put that aside because we'll need to put that back on. Now that the screws are out, we can pull this whole unit. Well, we're not going to pull it all the way out, but we'll pull it out enough to where we can get to the squeaky part. I had the dishwasher away from the wall, and like I said, I didn't pull it out all the way. You don't want to pull out the plug or the connections for the water that are in the back of this thing. Just pull it out enough to where you can access this string and that spring back there, because that's where your squeak is coming from. We're going to take some 3-in-1 oil, just get that anywhere, and we're going to put it on the string, and we're going to travel up the string because this string is going to move within this hinge, and just rub it in. And then just to be on the safe side, we're going to get some WD-40 and we're going to spray that spring back there. And maybe, you know what, a little bit on here too. There we go. And with any luck, we're going to do the other side and then we'll test it out. This is going to make it stop squeaking. We've got the dishwasher back in place, all the screws in place, the plate back on, and now we're going to check the door. Looks like another job well done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you again when something else breaks. God bless.